Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks so much for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for subscribing. So today I have a fun little project that we're going to be doing using the Trace Jolie scrapbooking kit for December. And the paper inside of this kit is called December Wishes. And this is by QuarterDesigns, and you guys, their paper is phenomenal. If you haven't tried it yet, you've got to try it. It's so pretty. It's very thick paper, really good quality paper, and the images on here are absolutely gorgeous. You do not want to miss out on these kits. They're absolutely gorgeous. And there's other kits that have 3/4 design paper with them as well. So today, again, we're going to be doing a layout, and I've already picked out some of the items that we're going to be using for this layout, and it is going to be a super simple layout. Nothing hard about it, you guys. That's what I love about QuarterDesigns. Their paper and their ephemera pieces that you get, the punch out pieces and everything are just absolutely gorgeous. We are going to be using some of the chipboard pieces. This is the chipboard ornaments that are in the scrapbooking kit this month, and they are super fun. And with that, I'll also be using the Lumiere paints that are in the mixed media kit, okay? And these are super fun, you guys. They are like a pearlescent type paint, so they are really like vibrant, and they're very shiny, okay, like holiday shiny, okay? And then I have some trim from one of the past scrapbook kits. I think this was either, I can't remember if it was November or October, but it's a trim that is by Prima, and so we'll be using that as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to get started, I went ahead and grabbed one of the chipboard ornaments that are in the scrapbooking kit, and I went ahead and applied the Lumiere, and it is the Pearl Essence Emerald that comes in the mixed media kit, and you get a whole bunch of different colors, and this emerald green was so pretty. And as you can see, it's super easy to apply. It just glides right on, and you can use a sponge. I used my finger. It applied right, just smoothly, no problems. But you can use a sponge if you want to. I didn't mind getting my fingers kind of messy. The next thing I did is I grabbed the other Lumiere from the kit, and it is the metallic russet. And now this is kind of like a red color, and it was so pretty. So I went ahead and just went over that in the words and just traced over them, and then smoothed it out as I went along. And again, went on very smooth, no problems, and it dries fairly quickly. You guys don't have to wait very long for it to dry at all. So the next thing I did is I grabbed one of the poinsettias from the scrapbooking kit, and I applied my glue. This is art glitter glue. It does dry clear. And then I used the Craft Decor Diamond Shimmer Dust, and I just dusted this all over the poinsettia. Now I did do 2 poinsettias like this, so again, you'll have to do 2 of them, just like that. So here is what the poinsettia looks like when it's all dried. I did take some of the trim that is from the previous scrapbooking kit and looped that around the ornament there, and just went ahead and glued those 2 pieces together. I went ahead and added glue behind the ornament, and then what we're going to do is we're going to attach that down, and we're going to go ahead and just fold that partial of the trim over the edge of the page there. And we'll just put our poinsettia right at the top there. And that is how I started the layout. And I just love how these little ornaments look. This was my sneak peek when at the beginning of the month to share with you what I've been working on. Okay, so to begin, I just went ahead and fussy cut out a few things that I thought I would need, like the presents, a little um, sign there that says North Pole, and then I think I cut out a few other things. And I just kind of fussy cut everything out and then stuck everything to the side while I prepared the rest of the layout. Okay, so the next thing I did is I went ahead and cut out a piece that is 5.5 by 3 3/4. And this one is the green striped piece that is in the kit. It is part of that thin, it's like a cardstock, but it's not a full sheet of 12 by 12. The next thing I did is I grabbed some 12 by 12 papers and I cut one piece that is 5.5 by 5.5, and the other piece is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And these two will layer on top of each other. So the 5 1/4 piece will fit on top of the 5.5 piece, just like that. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to pop this up with some foam tape. I thought it would look really nice over a little bit over the Merry Christmas ornament, not completely over it. You'll see there's, I just cover like a little spot of it. I didn't go all the way to the edge of this because just in case I wanted to tuck some things underneath this piece. So I did leave about 1/8 of an inch or so between the edge and the foam tape that I'm applying. And then we go ahead and take off the backing off the foam tape. And then we just attach it like a diamond shape. And there we go. Now that piece I wanted to stick underneath there. So before I really set everything down, I went ahead and placed that red card underneath there. I just thought that it gave it a really nice look and added a bit more red to the page like that I wanted. And I like the contrast between the green diamond sheet and the red, and then having the stripes on the other side. I thought it added a really nice contrast and very festive look, I thought. Next, I grabbed this die cut, and this is the die cut from the collection. And we put double back tape on that and just popped that up. And now I'm just kind of organizing or kind of laying out everything where I wanted everything and before I lay down my photo. Okay, so this piece here, this is my photo, and it is my family and I. We did a Polar Express trip or a little day where we went to Grapevine, Texas, and we rode the train over at the North Pole. And yeah, so this was an old picture, you guys. So this was about 6 years ago, or maybe almost, yeah, about 6.5 years ago. And yes, things have changed. We have grown so much now. And yeah, with 5 grandkids and 4 daughters and husbands and everything, yeah, we've grown quite a bit. Okay, so the next thing I did is I mounted my photo on top of the red cardstock that is in the collection, and this cardstock is so pretty. The red is just so pretty, you all. And I just laid it right on top of the little diamond shape that we placed down. And then next, I went ahead and added some foam tape to the back of the poinsettia, and I placed it right there in the corner on the bottom left side of the photo. And yes, this is turning out so pretty. I absolutely love this collection. It is just so vibrant and festive. And then I went ahead and laid down the little packages, and then the little North Pole Cookie Co. Sign here is just so cute. And so I did pop that up, and yeah, so I had to pop it up, you guys. So, and then I did add some another package down below there. So I did fussy cut one more package out, and I'm going to go ahead and place that right down where the Cookie Co. sign is and the poinsettia. And I just thought that looked really pretty. So I did go ahead and place some foam tape on the back of that, and then I went ahead and placed it down. Okay, so here is our layout and it is all done. I had so much fun creating this layout. I think it looks beautiful. And this picture is of my family that was several years ago, y'all. Several years ago. Let's see here. I'm thinking about 6 years ago. So yeah, so it's about 6 years ago. And yeah, we went to the North Pole Express in Grapevine, Texas. It was so, so fun. We got to take a train ride and sit with Santa and Mrs. Claus. And it was just a really good time. And so, yeah, so this is it. And I love the little ornaments that we got. The chipboard ornaments are so cute, so pretty, really fun to decorate. We have some more to decorate later, and we'll be using those for another project. So, yeah. So here I fussy cut out some presents down here and here. This is one of the pieces from the punch page, the perforated page. All you have to do is just punch it out and it's already done for you. We went ahead and used one of the poinsettias from the little, again, from the punch out page. And I fussy cut out this little Cookie Co. Little saying, and it says North Pole Milk and Cookie Co. Baking fresh daily. So that is super cute, and I just loved it because it said North Pole, and I thought it went perfect with this little picture of my family. So yeah, so here we go. I think this is so, so pretty. I hope you guys like today's project, and I hope you guys get a chance to create a layout with this. If you do, don't forget to post all of your projects on our Facebook page, okay? And I will have the link down below for you. And it's Trace Jolie Cafe, and you will love it. You'll get so much inspiration, not only from the designers, but also from other crafty people, all the crafty friends that we have there. And yeah, so thank you again for joining me. I have all the links down below for the scrapbook kit that I used. And take care, you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my Friday night lives at 4:30 Central Time.